guys, good afternoon and welcome to Pinili Vlog. So thanks for coming guys. So ngayon guys ay mag-prepare muna tayo ng pancake guys. Ayan. Yeah, ibinta po natin yun sa ating mga kababayan sa ibaba. So ngayon ay magtitinda naman ako ng pancake. 5-star lang to guys. Murang-mura lang to guys. Ayan. Makikita nyo guys, ang laki. Diba? Shoutout po sa lahat. And shoutout Mama Ju Vlog. Thank you for your support things. And sa aking mga members, Sir Kuya Rex TV, Daijin Channel, and World. Shoutout my friends. So ito. And sa mga bagong subscriber and new subscribers, thank you so much and good afternoon and happy Wednesday. Tuesday pala. So thanks for coming guys. And don't forget to like guys. So sa mga gustong bumili, sa mga gustong mag-order guys, i-parcel ko lang to next year. Yummy, 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 yummy. This is Pinili Vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel and have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.